Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use HStack in Excel. Okay, so if you want to learn how to use HStack in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see this is the table. Here you will see this is planned, okay, and this is actual sale. So I have planned this and the actual sale is this. Now here you will see this table. Here I have written a planned, actual and difference. Okay, so I can use HStack and I can find out planned, actual and difference also with the one formula. So what you have to do, you have to press equals, then HStack. Okay, then it will ask for first array. Okay, here we'll see. So first array is this, comma, now second array. Now second array is this, now comma. If you want to find out the difference, what you have to do, this minus actual minus planned. Now bracket close. So here you will see this is the difference. So like this you can use HStack in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.